Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw, Anidorhynchus hyacinthinus, is the largest flying parrot species, known for its vibrant blue plumage and strong, curved beak. This essay delves into the various aspects of this magnificent bird, including its taxonomy, physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, breeding habits, and conservation status. Taxonomy and classification. The hyacinth macaw belongs to the order Psitticiformes and the family Psittacidae. Its scientific name, Anidorhynchus hyacinthinus, reflects its characteristic blue color and lack of notches on the beak. The genus name Anidorhynchus is derived from the Greek words anidus, without teeth, and rhynchus, beak, while the species name hyacinthinus refers to the hyacinth flower, symbolizing its striking blue feathers. Physical characteristics. The hyacinth macaw is the largest flying parrot, measuring about 100 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of up to 140 centimeters. It has vibrant cobalt blue plumage, a bare yellow eye ring, and a yellow patch of skin at the base of its beak. The beak is large, black, and powerful, adapted for cracking hard nuts and seeds. Both males and females have similar plumage, making them difficult to distinguish visually. Juveniles are slightly smaller and have shorter tails and less vibrant plumage. Habitat and distribution. The hyacinth macaw inhabits the open woodlands, savannas, and palm swamps of Central South America, particularly in Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. They prefer areas with abundant palm trees, such as the Italy fallarata, which provide food and nesting sites. These macaws are found in the Pantanal, the Cerrado, and the Amazon rainforest, where they exploit the resources of diverse habitats. Their distribution is influenced by the availability of suitable nesting trees and food sources. Behavior and adaptations. Hyacinth macaws are social birds, often seen in pairs or small family groups. They are known for their strong pair bonds, with pairs remaining together throughout the year. They are diurnal and spend much of their day foraging for food, using their powerful beaks to crack open hard nuts and seeds. These macaws are strong flyers, capable of covering long distances in search of food. Their loud, raucous calls help maintain contact between pairs and family members, and they are known for their playful behavior and intelligence. Diet. The diet of the hyacinth macaw consists mainly of nuts from various palm species, including the Italy and Acrocomia genera. They also consume fruits, seeds, and small amounts of vegetation. Their strong beaks are specially adapted to crack open the tough shells of palm nuts, which are a critical food source. These macaws play a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and regeneration of their habitats. They have a mutualistic relationship with certain palm species, which rely on the macaws to disperse their seeds. Breeding and lifespan. Breeding season for hyacinth macaws typically occurs during the dry season, from July to December. They nest in cavities of large trees, particularly those of the manduvi tree, Sterculia apetala. The female lays 1 to 2 eggs, which are incubated for about 28 to 30 days. Both parents participate in feeding and protecting the chicks, which fledge after about 3 months but remain dependent on their parents for several more months. Hyacinth macaws have a long lifespan, living up to 50 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. Their reproductive success is influenced by the availability of suitable nesting sites and food resources. Conservation status. The hyacinth macaw is classified as vulnerable by the IUCN, with an estimated population of around 6,500 individuals. Major threats include habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal pet trade, and hunting for feathers and meat. Conservation efforts focus on protecting and restoring habitats, establishing protected areas, and enforcing laws against illegal trade. Cultural significance and ecosystem role. The hyacinth macaw holds cultural significance among indigenous communities, and is a symbol of beauty and strength in South American folklore. It is also a flagship species for conservation, drawing attention to the plight of endangered species and the need for habitat protection. Ecologically, hyacinth macaws are important seed dispersers, contributing to the health and diversity of their ecosystems. Their presence indicates the availability of mature trees and healthy palm populations, making them important bioindicators for conservation efforts. This detailed exploration of the American goldfinch, Andean cock of the rock, and hyacinth macaw highlights their unique characteristics, behaviors, and conservation needs. Each species plays a vital role in its respective ecosystem, and understanding these roles is crucial for their protection and preservation.